Best regards, my name is Edgardo Herrera Ochoa. My graph number is 77, and I'm going to talk to you about a value proposition canvas. The product is steel wire with unique properties for the manufacture of tapes, pickets, electric fence, fire fence, hooks for construction. The factory for the value product innovation is Acerías Paz del Río. The benefits of the product is increased productivity, lower operation cost, conservation of machines and equipment, safety in the operation, confidence in the brand, marketing position. Features: Paz del Río wire drawing steels are characterized by being low carbon, with strength ductility, shape memory, and toughness, complying with international standards for wire drawing steels, satisfying the needs for industry in various applications. Experience: thin wire drawing steels that guaranteed efficiency in our customers' operations to obtain high quality and high resistance products with excellent performance and reducing costs due to unscheduled shutdowns associated with the raw material. Customer wants to be valued as a customer of Paz del Río Steel Mills, to have privilege when negotiating the purchase of raw materials, to see all its products at good price, receive recognition for the quality of this product. Fears: unavailability of raw materials, high acquisition costs, competition for other companies, insufficient technology for new product characteristics. Needs: material with high strength capacity, raw material with high profit and lower cost, availability of raw material for different products, specialized attention from the supplier, security and confidence in the product. The ideal customer about the product is construction, manufacture, industry. Substitutes about our product: wire drawing steel from China, Mexico, Turkey, and Brazil. Thanks for your attention. This is my value proposition canvas about a new product. The new product is produced by Acerías Paz del Río for benefits and diversity the industry and satisfying our customer. Thanks.